October 25, 2024. On this day, Howard Hubbard Memorial Hospital opens its doors to something truly remarkable, Skin Week 2024. Hundreds of people are flocking to our urgent care center for a chance to see top dermatologists, completely free, thanks to the Philippine Dermatological Society, PDS. For Julie Beth, this event was a lifeline. Her 3-year-old son has been battling persistent skin allergies, and treatments haven't been easy to access. But today, they walked out with not only experts' advice, but also a bag full of free medications. Julie Beth holds her son close, grateful for the relief this opportunity has brought her family.
Salamat po kaayo sa ilaha kay aniya sila ni andam mo dawat sa nanadyoy nagpahigayon din sila libre check up diri para sa makatauhan.
Then there's Rosalie, a worker at Dole Philippines, who didn't waste a moment when she heard about Skin Week. Like so many Filipinos, she knows that skin health is not just about appearances. It's about protection and well-being. For her and countless others, this is a rare chance to care for themselves in a meaningful way.
Pansin ko parang mayroong nagtumutubo. So na-curious ko kung ano, hindi ko yan siya basta-basta na lang i-prick, baka maglala. Masasabi ko lang na continue lang yung mga program na ganito para sa mga trabahante ng Dolphin at saka sa mga dependent nila na kung pwede at least mayroong mga ganitong mga program.
In the Philippines, skincare isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. As Dr. Zenia Duma explains, the skin is our body's first defense, shielding us from harmful bacteria and environmental hazards.
Firstly, dahil yung balat natin, yung pinakamalaking organ sa katawan natin, ito yung protection natin from the outside world. So, kailangan yung balat natin matibay, maganda yung barrier para hindi siya laging tinatamaan ng iba't ibang klase ng sakit, no? Bacteria, fungi, or virus.
Each year, the Philippine Dermatological Society organizes free consultations like this to remind the public just how vital skin health is. This year's theme, Kalusugan sa Balat, Tugon ng PDS sa Lahat, speaks to their commitment to bringing skin health to everyone, no matter their background.
It's information dissemination about the different diseases that a patient can acquire. Parang kwan ito, to tell the patient to be aware about the different skin diseases that can affect them.
Howard Hubbard Memorial Hospital didn't hesitate to join as this year's host for Skin Week, partnering with the Philippine Dermatological Society to bring this event to life.
We have been seeing a lot of cases actually, no? And we feel that this kind of cases are underserved, no? So with this free consultation, it will hopefully open the floodgates for people to be more aware about their illnesses, no, related to the skin, hair, and nails, no, that meron naman palang solusyon sa kanilang problema, and all they have to do is go to the proper facility, in this case Howard Hubbard, no, to seek solutions to their problems, because we have we have consultants here at Howard Hubbard to cater to their needs.
In just one day, more than 200 individuals received expert care at no cost, a milestone that reflects Howard Hubbard Memorial Hospital's dedication to community service, especially during National Skin Disease Detection and Prevention Week.
This collaboration reflects our shared commitment to providing quality healthcare, and we are truly honored to host such an important initiative. To all the dermatologists, volunteers, and organizers, at sa lahat ng mga nagpakonsulta at nakabenepisyo sa ating kababayan dito sa Polomolok, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. At Howard Hubbard, we believe that healthcare is best achieved through partnerships and we are grateful to be part of this journey with you.
For our dermatologists, Skin Week is a platform to educate the public on the importance of skin health. For Howard Hubbard Memorial Hospital, it's an opportunity to give back to the community we serve. But for our beneficiaries, it's a moment of relief, self-care, and connection with medical experts who genuinely care.
Skin Week 2024, kalusugan sa lahat, tugon ng PDS sa lahat.
A heartfelt thank you to the Philippine Dermatological Society and Howard Hubbard Memorial Hospital, always committed to care and dedicated to cure.